If you've been wondering how to delete Photoshop projects, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the two different ways to remove a project depending on how it was saved, because Photoshop handles standard files and cloud documents a little differently. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, it's important to understand this. If your project was saved as a standard PSD, JPG, PNG, or any other file on your computer, Photoshop cannot permanently delete it from inside the app. In that case, you need to delete it through your operating system. So the first thing you want to do is close the project in Photoshop if it's currently open. This helps prevent any issues while deleting the file. Now open File Explorer if you're on Windows, or Finder if you're using a Mac. Once that window is open, navigate to the folder where you originally saved the project. That might be your Documents folder, Desktop, Downloads, or any custom project folder you created. If you're not sure where it is, think back to where you clicked Save As when you first created it. When you find the file, locate the project you want to remove. On Windows, right-click the file and choose Delete. On Mac, you can drag the file to the trash or right-click and move it to the trash, depending on your setup. After that, the file will usually go to the recycle bin on Windows or the trash on Mac, which means it's not fully gone yet. If you want to permanently delete it, go ahead and empty your recycle bin or trash. Just remember, once you do that, the file is much harder to recover, so make sure you're deleting the correct project before you clear it out. This is the safest way to remove locally saved Photoshop files from your computer. Now let's look at the second method, which is for cloud documents saved to Adobe Creative Cloud. If your project was saved as a .psdc file, you can delete it directly from Photoshop without going into your file system. To do that, launch Photoshop and wait for the home screen to appear. From the left-hand sidebar, click Your Files or look for Cloud Documents, depending on your version of Photoshop. This area shows the files stored in your Adobe Cloud account. Find the project you want to delete and take a close look at the thumbnail so you make sure you're removing the right one. In the bottom right corner of that project thumbnail, click the three dots icon. A small menu will appear with additional options. From that drop-down menu, choose Delete. Photoshop may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and confirm if prompted. Once you do that, the cloud document will be removed from your Adobe account. And that's it. If your Photoshop project is saved locally, delete it through File Explorer or Finder. If it's a cloud document, delete it from the Photoshop home screen under Your Files. It's a simple process once you know where the file is stored. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.